Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2024 BMW 430i XDrive Cabriolet. It's the MSport, the PremiumEnhanced package, the Advanced Driver Assistance package, and is painted in the black Saphire metallic with a TacoraRed perforated Sensatrack interior. All right, let's start here at the rear. We do have the trunk lid open. It is a power lift gate as well, a trunk gate. Here's your trunk space. We do have a storage spot here with the cargo net. We do have the wind deflector here, so you can put that on. It folds in half, so you can put it in the trunk easily. And then we also have the carpeted floor mats with the car, the original ones. And the power top is down below there. Okay, we'll close the trunk lid. We'll zoom out here so you can see the interior, so you can see the beautiful red interior. Coming back here, you can see the paint looks great. We have LED taillights. There's your XDrive badge, the BMW in the center, and the 430i on the side here. Okay, coming back here, we're gonna see the dual exhaust down below with the black chrome tips. All right, we'll turn the car around. Next, we will look at the wheels. So we got a nice attractive wheel. It's an aluminum wheel with the dark inserts. The BMW M, you can see the M right there. We got four-wheel disc brakes with the red calipers. We have Bridgestone tires all the way around, 225/40 R19s. Check out the front wheel next. All right, we're looking at the same size tire in the front. You can see the brakes are larger in the front, and those red calipers have the M on them, as you can see there. All right, let's make our way to the interior. So we got a nice combination of the black with the red. We have the Harmon carbon sound system, power locks here, nice trim there. You can see the red down here, the power windows there. I'll show you the dash over here, looking great. You can see that large screen there. We have the dark gray Ashwood trim. We got the owner's manuals in the glove compartment. And then we have the nice door jambs here, nice and clean. The M on the kick plate there. And we'll take a look back here. So we'll fold this back and we'll check out the rear seat. So nice high back, comfy seats. And we do have the pull down here as well. As you can see, we have access to the trunk. Cup holders in the center there. We have the console here with the HVAC system there. And we'll put the seat back. And as you can see, it has the power seat, so it's going back by power. Down here, we have the all-weather floor mats, the BMW brand, as well as the back there. I didn't show you that. And then we have the power seats over here with lumbar. And we'll stay on the seat here. You can see the beautiful leather, great design. And it also has the airflow in the headrest there. All right, we'll close the door. Show you the profile back here of the back of the car. We'll come down here. There's your nice red seats, body colored side mirrors, as well as the door handles. Coming down here, there's your wheels. And you can see the paint is nice and shiny there. We do have the metallic in the paint. And we'll stop the car right here. And we'll come to the front. We'll check out the LED headlights here first. And let's check out the engine compartment. So there's your under hood. And then here is your engine. So it's the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. It produces 255 horsepower and is paired to the 8-speed sport automatic transmission, and it has paddle shifters. Okay, we'll close the hood up and we'll check out the front here. So great looking front fascia, the BMW badge in the center, and the paint looks great. As you can see, we have not polished this car yet, so we'll do a 5-stage polish on it. And it will look spectacular when it's done. Wheels on this side. It'll diminish any swirl marks or any lines, and it will really make this paint pop, especially in the sun. Okay, door panel over here. We have blind spot monitoring there, the Harmon carbon system. Power locks there. There's your memory package for your driver. Power mirrors here and your power windows. You got trunk release down there. Dash over here. We have heads-up display there. Here's your door jambs. Your kick plate down there. And look at that. Fold it up here. We'll check out the seat from this side. And it's power seat, so it folded out of the way. We'll put it back, and it'll go back as well. It also has the seatbelt extender that is power, so when you hop in the vehicle, you don't have to reach as far. Nice feature. And then we have the pedals there with your floor mats. We got the 12-way power seat, and you also have the seat extenders here that's manual, so just by the handle there, so you can send it in and out. And let's scan the seat here. You can see it is in great condition. And again, the air system and the headrest. All right, let's hop in the vehicle. Got your vent controls over here. Here's all your headlight controls. We do have manual, tilt and telescopic wheel, and underneath there, here's your controls there for your lights. Here's your paddle shifter, so upshift, downshift, and we got cruise control over here. Here's all your audio, and we have your windshield wipers here. Also in the middle there, we got heated steering wheel. We'll go ahead and start it. So it's a push button start down here. All right, we'll zoom out here so you can see the wheel. So nice black leather wheel. It's got the bump outs here, the 3-spoke design. BMW right in the center there. Coming into the dash here, you can see the large digital portion of the dash here. And it's all digital. Very cool. Okay, coming up here, we got the overhead console with the map lights. There's your rearview mirror. And then we got this really large touchscreen here. It does have factory nav. We'll just come down here and check out some of these icons. So we have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay here. We have navigation. Let's hit that there. So there's your nav. Let's go back where we were. We have BMW Assist there. We have drive recorder as well. We have your climate controls here, so it has heated seats in the front. Coming back again. We have your drive settings here. So we have your driver assistance. So here's all your driver assistance packages there. I'm going to throw in reverse now. Oh, wrong way. There we go. So we got reverse camera here, and then we have the 360 camera up there. I'll throw it in drive now, and I'll put the front camera on so you can see we got front cameras as well. Put it back in park now. We got vents down here, and you can see that nice wood grain here. Down here, you got some controls. Here's the wood grain again. Open that up. We got a wireless charge station there, USB, 2 cup holders, and a 12-volt socket there. Close that down again, and then we have all your buttons here. So here's your transmission controller here. Traction control, here's your front camera, park sensors, automatic shut off. Here's your different drive modes. You got Sport, Comfort, and Economy Pro. And then we have some more, here's your air system for your headrest there. Power convertible top button there, and all this controls your digital dash up here, so you don't have to touch it if you don't want. And then here we have the console. Open that up. And nice spacious console, so you can fit lots of items in there, and media ports there. All right, we'll open up the door now. We'll make sure the lights are on, and we'll give it a couple revs for you guys. There's a little one. There we go. You hear that turbo going. We'll put up the top now. So the button here, we're just gonna put the brake pedal on and hold that button, and it functions like this. Nice power top. You can see it's all lined inside as well. That comes down. Full glass window in the rear. All the windows go up now. All right, now we'll make our way out of the vehicle. And here's your headlights on the car. Looking great, and here's the overall profile with everything closed up here. Spin it around, we'll check out the tail lights next. All right, so here it is. It's a 2024 BMW 430i XDrive all-wheel drive Cabriolet. It is the MSport, the PremiumEnhanced package, and the Advanced Driver Assistance package. It's got the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder and is painted with the black Saphire metallic and the TacoraRed perforated Sensitech. This is here and available at monroemotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.